So it's that time of the year again when, despite of being happy about the celebrations of the festival, majority of us feeders, caregivers, pet parents are in a panic state about how to take care and make sure that our community children are safe, that our kids are safe, what to do if they run away, how to find them to make sure that they don't run away, they don't leave their territory, they don't go missing, because a lot of chaos and commotion comes following if such instance happens. So last year as well, around Diwali, majority of the cases came around lost pets, missing pets. Some of them found their way back home, some of them came on their own, some did not, and then that's a story for some other time as to if an animal goes missing, is an animal actually missing, or they decide to go on their own. Now, I asked the community collective, because I'm a feeder as well, and I was concerned about the kids that we feed at office. We have around 13 kids there, and then our group that we have within the society was concerned about the community kids as well, because last Diwali one of them got injured. So we just wanted to make sure how to make sure that they are safe, that we know where they are if we do not see them. So I connected with the collective of the animals, not just these kids or the kids at office, but at a collective level. I connected with all the community dogs specifically. And I asked them, what do you want to let your caretakers, your feeders, your caregivers, your pet parents know? And if you go missing or if you're lost. And the only thing they said, they smiled and they said they would know. And I was like, what do you mean by that? So they said that the very first moment they do not see us, whatever clicks, if they feel that we left on our own, or if we have been lost and we need help coming back, tell them to trust that instinct. They would know if we left on our own and we do not want to come back, or if we are lost and we would need help coming back home. And the reason for that is that this year has seen a lot of turmoil, and the animals are trying to balance it out for us, help us balance out the energies, neutralize everything, and this is one of their ways of giving back to us. So they said that tell them whatever resonates, whatever does not, leave it. But a lot of us are going through a lot of hard times at this moment, personally, professionally, health-wise, financially. And they said that since some of them are not able to balance it out and we see them struggle, our leaving would be a sign that we are taking it away from them. If we want to come back, we will find our way home, they will find us. And just tell them to trust their very first instinct, whether we left on our own or are we actually lost. So that was the message from the collective. If you have any questions, please feel free to DM me. I'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you so much, and I wish you all a very happy and safe Diwali. Take care.